Hello everyone. Welcome to Information ARK. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you aspiring entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and automation and explore how to start your very own AI automation agency. Whether you're a seasoned AI professional or just getting started, we've got some valuable insights to share. So, grab your notepads, and let's get started. The world of AI automation is booming, and there's never been a better time to start your AI automation agency. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your journey. Step 1. Define your niche. Before you start anything, you need to identify your niche. AI is a vast field, so decide which specific aspect of AI you want to focus on. It could be healthcare, finance, marketing, or any other industry. Defining your niche will help you tailor your services and marketing strategies accordingly. Step 2. Acquire skills and knowledge. If you're not already an AI expert, you'll need to build your skills and knowledge. Take online courses, attend workshops, and read books related to AI, machine learning, and automation. You should have a deep understanding of the technologies you'll be working with. Step 3. Create a business plan. Every successful business starts with a well-thought-out plan. Write a comprehensive business plan that outlines your agency's goals, target audience, pricing structure, and marketing strategy. A solid plan is essential to attract investors and secure funding if needed. Step 4. Assemble a talented team. To run an AI automation agency, you'll need a team of skilled professionals. Hire data scientists, machine learning engineers, software developers, and project managers who share your vision and enthusiasm for AI. Your team will be the backbone of your agency. Step 5. Choose the right tools and technologies. Select the appropriate tools and technologies that align with your niche. This may include various AI libraries, frameworks, and software development tools. Ensure your team is well equipped with the right resources to deliver exceptional services. Step 6. Develop a portfolio. Build a portfolio of projects that showcase your expertise. These case studies will be crucial when attracting clients. Make sure to highlight successful AI automation projects you've completed, demonstrating the value you can offer to potential clients. Step 7. Marketing and networking. Create an online presence for your agency. Utilize social media, a professional website, and networking events to connect with potential clients, partners, and investors. The tech industry relies heavily on networking, so get out there and build relationships. Step 8. Stay updated. AI and automation are rapidly evolving fields. Make sure to stay updated with the latest trends and advancements. Attend industry conferences, participate in webinars, and encourage your team to continue learning to provide cutting-edge solutions. So, starting your own AI automation agency is a thrilling and challenging journey. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful business that leverages the power of AI to transform industries and improve efficiency. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, innovation, and a passion for what you do. If you're willing to put in the work and stay committed to your goals, the sky's the limit. Thank you for joining us on this exciting venture into the world of AI automation agencies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on the tech industry. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Goodbye, and best of luck with your AI automation agency.